What's up, legends? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be opening one of the very first sets in Dragonballsuper card game, Union Force. This is one of the very first sets to be released. So, I got 8 packs of Union Force, and I'll also be opening some Saiyan Showdown, because I'm still after that Vermilion Saiyans. I really want to pull that, so I decided I'll be opening some Saiyan Showdown with Union Force today. And I think we're just going to crack it off with Union Force. Alright, if you haven't seen these packs before, the artwork on them are sick, guys. Look at that. Vegeta, he looks absolutely sick. And we're starting off with Vegeta. Let's see how our luck is today. Alright, starting off with Zamasu. Fully trained Super Saiyan Son Gohan. Dabura, the wizard's right hand. Super Ghost Kamikaze Attack. Terrible Creator Android 20. Warrior of the Gods Goku Black. Uncountable Many Cell Jr. Group Leader Pilaf. Mighty Mask the Mysterious Warrior. That's a pretty cool card. Enraged Gohan Awakening. Bulma, Supporter of the Future. Secret Evolution Cooler. And that is our holo. That's our rare. Alright, not too bad. Put him there. Alright, we got Trunks neck. Look at that artwork, guys. That looks bloody sick. Let's see if Trunks can bless us with something. So, I'm also looking to get Vegeto's Secret Rare. So I'm opening this Union Force set, which is probably very unlikely. But if we can pull a special rare, because there's only 4 special rares in this set, that would be a win, guys. And hopefully we can pull either Cell or Vegeto's special rare. Heartless Strike Freezer rare. Not too bad. Cell next. See what I mean by this artwork on this set, guys? These packs. Bloody awesome. Okay, Cooler's Armored Squadron Leader, Salsa. Potara, the Kai's Secret. God of the Gods, Great Priest. Foreseen East, Supreme Kai. Tiny Heroes, Haru and Maki. Majin Buu's Sealed Ball. Kabira, I'm not sure how to say that. Cooler's Armored Squadron Door. Videl, Gohan's partner, twin brother Android 17, and father's son Gallic-Gun. Infinity Force, Fuse Zamasu. An SR. That is nice, guys. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. I'll take that. Nice. I'm pretty sure it is pretty rare to pull an SR from these Union Force sets. Zamasu's up next. Just pulled Zamasu. Now we've got Zamasu to open. Let's see if we can continue on with another pull. So yeah, like I was saying, that is a sick leader, guys. Soul Unleashed Son Goku. Look at that. That's beautiful. Frieza. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm pretty sure the SRs are pretty rare to pull in here, so that's a win right there. If we're doing a pack battle, Union Force will be in the lead right now. Oh, we got another SR. Look at that one. Jiren, Fist of Justice. Not bad. Maybe it isn't rare to pull an SR, I'm not too sure. But I know there's not that many SRs in this Union Force set. 14 SRs, 1 secret rare, and 4 special rares. Alright, let's see what else we can get. I'm loving the artwork for this set. Cell, Dabura, Cooler, Uncountable Many Cell Jr., Trunks Time Machine, Power of Love Mai, Guide Robo, Usher of Death, Group Leader Pilaf, Toby, Majin Buu Revived, Vegeta, and Infinity Force Meta Cooler Core. Another SR, 3 SRs in a row. Nice. What's going on here? 3 SRs in a row from Union Force. Let's keep that going. Let's see if we can get a bloody SPR, sorry. Cell, you're up next. Send me some energy, Cell. Send me some energy. And give me some luck. Exterminating Energy Android 18. Awakening Evil Majin Buu. Awakening Core Meta Cooler. Cooler's Armored Squadron Knees. Foreseen East Supreme Kai. Tiny Heroes Haru and Maki. Oop. Majin Buu's Sealed Ball. Kibito. Time Ring. Cell's Birth. Universe 10 Supreme Kai. Another SR. What the hell? Miraculous Comeback Ultimate Gohan. What's going on here? That does not seem right. Miraculous Comeback Ultimate Gohan SR. 4 SRs in a row. I'll take that. Let's see if we can keep that going. We're on a bloody hot... Hands are on fire right now. Trunks. Trunks again. Father, Son, Kamehameha. Pivotal Defense Cyclopean Guard. Double Shot Super Saiyan 2 Vegeta. Encroaching Terror Android 19. Raging Spirit Son Gohan. Ooh, almost. We got a rare this time. Alright. No fire in that pack. Last pack of Union Force. Come on, guys. Let's see if we can pull a banger. Let's see what we got. Last pack. Full Power Trunks. Prodigy Fusion Super Saiyan Gotenks. Father Son Kamehameha Goku and Gohan. Sensing Old Kai. Supreme DNA Son Gohan. Cell Absorption. Whoops. Spirit Trunks. Piccolo's Help. Courageous Heart Yajirobe. Death Razor. Yamcha. And Ultimate Life Form Cell. Hollow Leader. Nice. That's not too bad. I like that. Put that there. Alright. That was a pretty good start for Union Force. We just pulled 4 SRs. If we were doing a pack battle right now, Saiyan Showdown would be in some trouble. And let's kick straight off into Saiyan Showdown. Let's see if I can get lucky and pull that Vermilion Saiyans. or any secret rare. Hopefully we can pull at least a SPR, because we haven't pulled an SPR yet. So hopefully we can pull an SPR from one of these packs. Kaioken Son Goku, Kaioken Son Goku again, and Days. Nothing. So I'm trying to decide what to open next as well, Legends. I've got Realm of Gourds. As you can see right here, I got these 2 Realm of Gold packs. I'd love to open them. I'm definitely going to be opening one very soon. And I'm also trying to decide if I should open this Clash of Fates booster box right here. I really want to open it. I feel like we could hit something big in there. So let me know, guys, what you would like to see, and I'll do it. Clash of Fates has been sitting there staring at me for quite a while now. Same as the Realm of Gourds. I feel like we could have something in there. It's just, what would you guys like to see next? Trunks, Son Gohan, Champa right on time, and nothing. Nothing in that pack. Alright. Guys, I think we just pulled a gold pack. I'm seeing some shiny right off the front. I think we just got a gold pack. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Legends. We've got a gold pack. Oh, yeah. Nice. Let's see what we have got. Ultimate Electric Slime. Demon God Dabura, Skill Hunter. Great Ape Vegeta, Embodied Might. Nice. This is one of the cards I wanted to get in holo. Awesome. Vegeta and Kaba, Lessons Learned. Days, Power of the Tree. Full Power Frost, Embodied Might. Hopefully, Tien Shinhan and Chiaotzu battle at the tree. Hopefully the SRs at the back, because we're guaranteed 3 SRs from a gold pack, or all the cards are holos and you get 3 SRs if you find a gold pack, Legends. Let's see if we can pull something I haven't already got from this set. Demonic Playtime. Kale Demon of Universe 6. Alright, here we go. First SR, Videl. Encountering Danger. So I've already got that. I'll sleeve that up soon. SS2 Kefla, Lightning Speed. I've already got that SR as well, but that's alright. That's a beautiful SR. I'll take another one of them. And Videl, Encountering Danger SPR. Wait, what's going on here? I thought you were only guaranteed 3 SRs in a gold pack. Alright, I'll take that. An SPR. Must be different for Saiyan Showdown, I'm guessing. Nice. Videl Encountering Danger SPR. I needed this card. Awesome. And we'll sleeve these 2 bad boys up as well. This has turned out to be a pretty good pack opening, guys. We've still got 4 packs left. Let's see what else we have got. While I crack open this pack, guys, I also want to mention I'll be doing giveaways on this channel. I just seen something back there. Looks like we got another fire card back there. Let's see what it is. Yeah, I'll be doing giveaways on this channel, guys. I'm thinking of doing the first giveaway as soon as we hit 50 subscribers. Once we hit 50 subscribers, I'll be doing them pretty often. The more subscribers we get, more followers, the bigger the giveaways will be. Kaioken Son Goku. The Demon Awakens. And there it is. King Vegeta, Invasion's Command. Oof. This is the first time I've seen this card. Nice. Sleeve that bad boy up. Nice, look at that. SR, King Vegeta, Invasion's Command. This has been a fire pack opening, guys. We've got about 7 SRs there, 1 SPR. From 16 packs, we still got 3 packs left, or 3 packs including this one I just opened. SS Khalifa, Higher Dragon, Champa, Krillin, Boltamo, Mentor's Rescue, Vegeta's Powerball, Toro's Powerball, Trunks, Piccolo's Confronting Invasion, and Tien, Shinhan, and Chiatsu. Nothing in that pack. 2 packs left. Yeah, guys, so once we hit 50 subscribers, I'll be doing our first giveaway. So make sure you like and subscribe to be a part of it. And the sooner we hit 50 subscribers, the sooner I'll be doing my giveaways for all you legends. Purina and nothing, Nappa. Alright, let's see if we can get some last pack magic. Even though this pack opening has been pretty good. I'm pretty stoked for what I pulled today. Oops, my bad, guys. Fix that up. Alright, last pack. Let's see what we have got. Thanks all you legends that have watched. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. And get ready for the giveaways. Dr. Rhoda, King Kai's planet. Imagine being from that planet or visiting that planet. That would be great. Broly, Slumbering Demon, Plains Monster, and we are ending on Toro's Great Ape Manipulator. So nothing in that pack. Thanks all you legends that have watched this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.